section of the website, you're gonna you're going to add everything that you offer in here. And actually, let me show you how to add more if you wanted to. So let me change this icon real quick. Oops. Just remember to change the size. And we'll say we help during emergencies. Get immediate help when I don't need to do caption. When you need it, if you're stranded in the middle of the ocean, we'll save you. Right? Then we save that. Okay. So now you know how to change this icon. You know how to change this text. You know how to change this call to action, which is a link, the A tag. You know how to change the link in an A tag. And the text, right? What people are gonna read. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So now let's say you have 20,000. Now let's say you have 5 services, 5 or 6. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to where the module starts. See, this is what nice about this comment in here, because you can see where this little thing starts, this square or box or module, as the person that created this website called it, starts, right? So you would click right there to start the cursor, and then you would press shift while clicking to highlight everything, right? You press Command C, then you press enter and paste in there. And you'll see wherever you want to paste it. Let's say if you wanted to paste it after this one, that's where you would go. Honestly, what's nice about these icons. Anyway, so then, yeah, that's what you would do if you have more than 5 services. You would paste from where it says about module and about module, and then change the content and change the icon. All right. So now we'll move on to the next section, and here you have even more features, right? Gladly, we already went on how to change the text. Remember, don't worry about the text. It's worry about this text. So next, so voting features and benefits. And this is where you would write all the reasons why a person should go with your company. You should write, if you're a fitness company, or if you want to start your own fitness company, you would write about how you how much success you, or all the different workouts you do, how you work out all parts of the body. You work out the muscles, you work out the triceps, the chest, the abs, the lats, the quads, the hamstrings, the calves, whatever. You have full body workouts, individual workouts. I think they're called isometric workouts. If you're a food company, you would write, you know what, you want to write what you want people to know about you. And if you need help with that, I'll make a video about it too, or you can always just set an appointment with me and we can talk about it. I can help you figure it out, how to best portray your business online, right? So voting features and benefits. I said I provide emergency service, so 24-hour assistance, right? That's a benefit. Another benefit would be uh, incredibly fast boats. what's another feature of my boats? Alright, so I have monohulls, and I have I think they're called multi-hulls. That's I don't know if you can tell, but I have an accent and some words come out weird. So, anyways, I have different types, all different types of boats, right? So save that, reload the page. There we go. 24-hour assistance, different types of boats, and you can see it goes down, right? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 9. So let's pretend you change all of that text right there. Then you keep scrolling down. All you do is change the text right there. As you'll see, yeah, portfolio, boom. Change it to whatever you want. Boat photos. And then look at our gallery. Oh, let's do Command Z. I don't know what happened right there. Command Z. Let's delete that. And then say look at my gallery. And all the details that our boats have, right? You gotta sell the images. You don't just show an image to show it. You say why you're showing it, and of course you want that image to then sell to the person. All right, so here I have the image file right there. So let's find 6 images real quick. So I'm gonna, well, first of all, since none of those images are showing up, nor that I want them to because I want to add my own images, I'm gonna delete all of them. Move to trash. There we go. And we're almost done with the tutorial. I've shown you most everything that you need to know. Changing the text, that's the most important part, and changing the images, right? So let's do gallery -1. Save. Let's keep scrolling down. Ooh, that's a nice car. Has nothing to do with boats, but hey, you know what? You want to take your nice car, nice muscle car on your boat, then you certainly can do it. If you want to drive your car in your boat like a maniac, then knock yourself out. Gallery -3. See, that's a lonely person right there. You might feel a little lonely right now building that website, but you know what? Just keep going. Everything is going to start to make more sense soon. Because it's like any task or any skill in life, it'll take time. And then sometimes, of course, if you already make $100 an hour, you don't want to spend, uh, you know, thousands of hours learning how to make a website when you can pay someone, because that would just not be ideal, because then you would be losing money, right? If you're learning how to do something from scratch rather than paying someone half of or even a quarter of what you make, is wouldn't make sense. So let's go back to my item. So I'm gonna change this to gallery 1, gallery. Oh, this picture's like nice. I'm glad I chose that naming convention. See? Alright, so now all the images should show up. Boom, right there. See, we have a nice car. We have the caves. That's a little bit of a sad picture. I don't know what this is. We got the lonely dude right there. Alright, so let's say if you didn't want to have this animation when you hover over the picture, you would go over to where it says Fig Caption, and let's do it for the first image, right? Gallery dash one. I know this is that image right there. So click, hold down shift, click again, command / save and reload. See, so now we just got a little gradient over the image, not too much going on. Alright, so we'll keep scrolling down. We have more text, and I believe there was an image right there, wasn't there? Oh no, there's not. So we're fine. So you need to change that text to whatever you want. Just go and find it. Something I like to do, if so you know, is you can do Command F, and that'll pop up the search bar. As you can also do that in a tab, Command F, and then you can search for things, our partners, and it'll highlight it right there. Boom, see? I wouldn't have to scroll down to see that section. So I would just type in a words right there. And I get the number. Where's my number at? I don't see where my number 9 is. Oh, it's right here. Data number. Ooh, see? So not everything is just gonna be grayed out for the text. You gotta change. You gotta find stuff, right? I didn't know this off of the top of my head, right? I had to find the 9. So just experiment. If you make a mistake, you know, you can always do Command Z and go back to where the website was working just fine. So let's change this to 100 words. I'm so good with my boating site or my boating business that I have gotten 100 words, and I have 250 clients. Imagine how much money you would have if you had 250 clients. I mean, even there's no way you can have, unless you're selling, unless you're a grocery store, maybe you might not be profitable, but anything else, I'm sure if you have 250 clients that are regular, you're gonna be off pretty well. Alright, so let's reload the page, and that should count up. There we go. 250. And just so you know, there's another language called JavaScript, and I believe that's what's causing the numbers to go up. And JavaScript is an interactive language, so it's gonna be triggered when you take actions on a website. Like for example, you saw that I reloaded the page and nothing happened, right, until I scrolled down. And you can see the folder right here, JS, and it's using all of those files. So that's what's causing the numbers to go up when I scroll the website or I scroll down on the page. So we got our partners, right? I don't need to tell you how to change that. You got this. Partners, then the image files again, partners. Let's go find some partners on this Unsplash website. I really like this website, Unsplash. You should remember it, unless you pay for images. Paying is always nice, but I say free is better. Alright, so these two dogs are my partners. So I love dogs. Partners dash one, right? we're gonna make it even more simple because you see here that the name of the file that this is calling to is partners-1, and I saved an image called partners-1, so that means that the image should show up ideally. Maybe not. Maybe not. You know what? I'm wrong. Oh, it's because I named it partner, not partners. So let me rename this. Alright, there we go. Save. I clicked enter to save that. Then reload the page. No, no. Oh man. Yeah, my image is just not showing up at all. Partners-1.p. Oh, that's why. See, it's PNG, and my file is a JPEG file. Okay. So let's change that. And there we go. The image is showing up. Yay! And you guys just troubleshoot it for the first time. So that's what troubleshooting is called. You know, you don't have, or you're not getting what you want, so you gotta experiment, change things around to get your desired result. All right, so now that I know it's PNG, I'm gonna highlight what says partners here. I'm gonna highlight just, oh wait, I actually need to highlight just this because that's what's common among all of these image files, the .png quotes, and I'm gonna change it to .jpeg quotes, replace all of them, and I don't think I should have replaced all of them. Actually, let's go back. All right, let's whenever you make a change like that, save it, and then look at your website. Don't keep making any changes because you don't know what might happen. You might lose other images, or you might lose something else that that isn't supported in that file. Let's say if this image was a .png file, you would have lost it. Oh, look at my logo. My logo went away because it was a .png file. And when I clicked on replace all, it replaced the format for my logo, and I see right here I'm gonna change it back to PNG. There we go, I have my logo back. Whew. Man, I feel like this tutorial has been going on for a while, huh? But don't worry, you got all the important parts, all the juicy parts, right? So now let's just get, how many images do I have? I'm gonna keep scrolling down. So partners -9, so I need to find 8 more images. I'm gonna download that one, partners -2. I'm gonna save that or copy that so I don't have to type it out every time. It's a little bit of a productivity and time saving hack you can do. Just copy and paste things that are normal and then change the little details. I believe I was at number 5. I lose count on occasions. Yeah, but that's okay because you're not allowed to have the image with the same file name, so it would tell you. It's number 7. Then we got number 8. And number 9, a Land Rover. I first only saw the Land Rover, and when I heard of the make Range Rover, I thought Range Rover was the knockoff of the Land Rover. Now I know better though. Actually, I don't know much. Congrats on finishing the third video. You are well on your way to creating your own website. And if you need any professional help, you can contact me. My email is down below. I'll see you in the next video.